Bonjour la classe de français. This is your pronunciation video for Unité 3, Leçon C, La vie quotidienne, which translates to daily life. As a reminder, this section is only reflexive verbs, which is a continuation from Unité 3A about our daily routine. The only difference in this video and this vocab list is that these verbs are about interacting with other people instead of interacting with yourself or doing something to yourself to get ready. So we'll start at the top, listen and repeat, écoutez et répétez. I remember is je me souviens. Je me souviens. You remember is tu te souviens. Tu te souviens. We had fun is on s'est amusé. On s'est amusé. We hurried is on s'est dépêché. On s'est dépêché. And here are the infinitives. Se souvenir de. Se souvenir de means to remember. And another way to say to remember is se rappeler. Se rappeler. To meet up with someone planned, like as a planned appointment or a planned lunch or coffee meeting, would be se retrouver. Se retrouver. To meet up with someone randomly or unplanned is se rencontrer. Se rencontrer. To show up somewhere is se rendre à. Se rendre à. And that is usually replaced by, or not replaced, followed by the name of a place, like se rendre à Somerset or se rendre à la bibliothèque. To stop is s'arrêter. S'arrêter. To start doing something again, as in like, oh, I decided I was going to start doing cheer again, or I decided to start playing piano again, is se remettre à. Se remettre à. To get along is s'entendre. S'entendre. The opposite of that is to argue, which is se disputer. Se disputer. To take care of is s'occuper de. S'occuper de. To hurry, like in our phrases at the top, is se dépêcher. Se dépêcher. My favorite in this list is to relax, which is se détendre. Se détendre. Also pretty awesome is to have fun, which is s'amuser. S'amuser. And I accidentally went to the top. Oopsies. To be bored is s'ennuyer. S'ennuyer. To take a walk is se promener. Se promener. And then this is one that you learned at the very beginning of Français 1. To be named is s'appeler. Like when you say je m'appelle or tu t'appelles, that's actually a reflexive verb that you used before you even knew what they were. And the infinitive is s'appeler. So continue to practice these independently, at least 10 minutes a day, and I hope you enjoyed this delightful video. Au revoir!